everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in an Audi A4 that it already came with navigation but no backup camera. We install our backup camera and it comes with external MMI. As you can see, car came with nav and with the external MMI, and we add our 10.25-inch Android screen, and also we did the Apple Carplay connected to the iPhone. So I go to the apps and to AutoKit. It's gonna turn on the Apple Carplay. The Apple CarPlay pops out, and right now, as you can see, we have the Audi MMI, we have the Google Maps and messages, phone, and we have Waze here too. So if you download Waze on your iPhone, you can use Waze as well. Just clicking on Waze. Waze opens up really fast. And you can play Spotify, you can play music off your phone, and you can use Siri as well. And by clicking on Audi MMI, it goes to the aftermarket menu, and that's the menu. And I can control it with the factory iDrive knob to go left and right, up and down, and I can go back to original MMI, and I can go to factory navigation as well. And by going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. If you're interested to get this type of unit with the USB dongle to do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.